Hey girlies, come with me to go to Malaysia! Woo! After coming to Malaysia, I straight away went to my singing practice. It took us 2 hours to go to the hotel, girl! But so worth it. They gave us such a nice room and the view is so cool. Okay, now I'm going to my press conference. I'm super excited. LOL, they be asking. Honestly, I should just go to the point, so see you guys on the day. Today's the day, eating my food and the view, and I just did a little mini dance. LOL. Okay, I guess some paparazzi wants to get some photos and videos of me. Okay, now I'm doing the little ceremony opening, I guess, for Hanbok. Thank you for the VIPs, people. Actually, what am I doing? Please, buy my merch. Buy my merch, please. Buy my merch. After that, I got my award. Thank you so much. Okay, now it's my performance. I'm really nervous because I'm not that professional at singing, but I tried. My mom forgot to record. Last award certificate. Go. Tomorrow later, I woke up and I had to go back to China. After I came, I got a nice meal and met my pets. Thank you for this opportunity, K-Pop Global Festival. It was such a nice experience. I would love to come again. Your guys' management was so great. Thank you, team, lighting, everybody. I met so much people. Overall, it was great. I met Emma again. But thank you for the awards and, everybody who wanted to get photos with me. And it was great, actually. Stay tuned for my merch. Bye!